Well, y'all see this little part right here? Little part right here? And motherfuckers trying to charge me $350 to change that part out. The part only costs $120-something. He's trying to charge me another $125 just to change this part. Let me show y'all how quick it is to change this part out. Real quick. Watch. You set this down somehow, man. You know I don't really do this. Let me set this down somehow the way y'all can still see it. Try to adjust that motherfucker in this motor somehow where y'all can still see it. Might have to turn it sideways like this. That might be the best thing to do. Just turn it sideways. Try to set it up. Cause that's the little piece right here. You know what? I ain't even got to do all that. Man. Let me show y'all how easy this motherfucker is to change. Where the other part? Here go the other part right here. That's the other part right there. Gotta do this shit in the door. Hold on, let me flip that around. Turn. Disconnect this little power piece. Disconnect that little power piece right there. You go. Push down on that and pull that out. Boom. Grab you one of these or something similar. Got to do some behind the scenes work. Yep. Put that on there. Hold on, that ain't the right one. Do a little more ipping. That's why I like these old cars, man. Get these old cars like this here. Look how that do. It's nice and simple. Real quick. Gotta let it get that little pressure off of it. Send that little pressure. And just grab this screw. Grab that screw. Set them to the side. You don't never want to lose your screws. Don't never want to lose your screws. And just grab your new part. Grab your new part and just work that boy down up in there. Work that boy down up in there. Get your screws, get them started. It's called a fuel. What they gave me that little paper at AutoZone. It was something called a fuel line, fuel pressure sensor or something. I got the paper in the house. It's called a fuel pressure rail, your pressure sensor or something like that. And you just go backwards. Put this part on first. Click that in and grab your little power. Pop that in. See how quick that was? 5 minutes. People trying to charge me $300-something, man. Y'all better use y'all YouTube. You better use their YouTube, man.